Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tekno Genius channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create Hollywood-style action videos using only free AI tools, just like this. So, how do you do it? Keep watching until the end. But before we continue, please hit the like and subscribe buttons to get the latest updates from Tekno Genius.
Okay, let's get straight to it, friends. First, let's open Claude to create a prompt. Here, I instructed Claude to create a complete prompt for an AI video generator such as Kling AI Runway to create a cinematic action fight scene video with the following conditions: main character, enemies, location, and end. Video duration divided into 5 shots. Okay, here's the result. Next, let's move on to the video creation tool. Here I'm using Seedance 2 from ByteDance Lumina. You can register for free with your Gmail account and get 60 credits. In this video menu, there are tons of models you can use. However, to save credits, I'll use Seedance 2 Fast. You can also adjust the ratio and duration in the Other Settings menu. Let's just copy and paste Claude's prompt, then click Generate and wait for the results. Okay, here are the results, friends. Pretty good, right? And take a look at my remaining credits. I only have 2 points left. Of course, this won't be enough to generate another video. So, how do I do it? Simple. Just register again with a different Gmail account. For my next experiment, this time, I'll use a character reference model or image. And I'll use this model. We'll use the same prompt, but I'll edit it slightly differently. Okay, let's just upload the model. Then, copy and paste the prompt as before. For the settings, I'm still using Seedance 2 Fast. Click Generate and wait for the results. Well, here you have it, friends.
Quite easy, right? That's our video this time. If you like it, don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe. See you again in the next video.